Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install and join Google Classroom on your OnePlus Nord 2T. So in order to do this, let's open our Google Play Store. From here, begin a search for an app and enter Google Classroom. Hit the search button, select this app and then install. After installation process is complete, we can open our app. From here, click on Get Started. You'll need to choose the account or add another one. I'm gonna use an already existing one. Here, press on the plus button and then join the class. Here you'll need to enter the class code, which you should be provided with, and after doing so, click on Join, and that way you'll be joined with a class. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.